ng advisor.
Ay, si Viva, hindi na naman nagkaganyan sa advisor. Ako, pero I finished yung sa iyo.
Opo.
I was here up to 12 o'clock.
Ay, nako.
And then, ikaw na lang mag-send. I left my computer here.
Totoo, nabanggit sa akin ni Ma'am Eve. Sabi, pinagpuyatan. Sabi ko, nako, thank you so much. Thank you talaga. Gusto ko nang matapos.
Ay, mabuti nga yun na merong, yung nga isa, paid already for graduation fee para na mapwersa siya na talagang tapusin ngayon. Sabi ko, that's right naman.
Oo po.
Kasi nagluloko pa yung computer ko eh.
Ang akin nga din po, nasira na.
Buti na lang. Eh, yun. Wala mo internet? Bakit tawagin ko na naman ang ICT. Nelia? May internet ba tayo? Dapat kita ng internet. Meron mang ICT sa itaas. Kung the site cannot be reached. Ito.
Ito po dapat. Dapat
Ito.
Yan,
Ito.
yung circle na to.
Ito.
Yan po. Nakakonect yun.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Sige, ikaw.
Mahanap natin saan siya po-connect. Wala.
Bakit pa? Nelia?
Check ko yung
Meron ba sa ano ba nasa itaas? Si Shell? Meron na namang nagluloko na naman internet.
Bababa po.
No internet. Pero mga sa itaas.
Bababa po si
Sila Shell.
Opo.
Okay. You know, I always interview people before they and I think I interviewed you also, but afterwards, sige, ikaw muna. Bakit ayaw lumabas?
sige.
Sit down. Mabuti naman, you're determined.
Nako, totoo po. Sabi ko, habang buti nga at your age, ma'am, no, you can check a lot of papers.
Yes. You know that when there were December 2022, there were 15 graduated.
15.
Oo, 13 of that, I was the advisor. And then another graduation, 13. And ako rin mag-advise. The other one, 4 ang
13 advices.
tapos 4. Ay, kung ako mag-advise, hindi lang naman basta sasabihin ko, you do this. I really try to reconstruct kasi baka hindi ako maintindihan ng mga estudyante, ibalik ko. Tapos, i-discuss ko din kasi kanilang thesis yun.
Totoo.
Kaya sabi ko, yung format, if you can defend it, sabi ko ganyan. Pwede na rin. Pero, yun lang ang parang format. Pero I also give leeway to the students if they think that this is the way they will do it, and I think it is justified because of their philosophical discussion, the philosophy of the method.
Parang yun yung naka-note dun sa, ng ano niyo po sa akin, note niyo dun sa aking paper na you want to discuss, yung format kung
Oo.
ano po yung side ko dun sa,
Yun, sinabi ko, I would like to talk to you about that. It's
Opo,
your
opo.
dissertation. No? Because I said, if you have a way of explaining that ganito yung gusto mong sabihin and this is how, and you can defend it, I will leave you to defend it. Ganyan.
Yun yung beauty po ng phenomenology. Ano po?
Ano?
Yung
Oo.
beauty of phenomenology.
Yes.
May leeway.
Although, yeah.
ah,
Because I have made that format. And it worked, no? It works.
totoo.
But if there are students who have other readings and they say, I would like to use this, I let them, I allow them as long as they are consistent with what they are saying as their premises, philosophical premises. And yeah.
Ang ano nga po, ang thorough ng ano nyo, ng construction nyo, tapos yung suggestion. Tapos kayo na rin yung nag-create ng pwedeng
Yung
i-revise.
yung lalo na yung third chapter,
Mhm.
I arranged the sequence para
Opo.
to the reader it's mas klaro. Kung hindi mo may gusto kong idagdag according to that sequence.
Kaya, gusto ko mo dapat matapos ko to. Habang,
Very happy when
Active.
you're determined. Kasi si Ignay, sinulatan niya lahat ng mga on the dissertation. Please don't forget.
sa totoo nun, nung nag-submit ako kay Ma'am Eve, ayoko kasing mangulit, pero sabi ko sana mapansin.
Siya nagta-traffic kasi ang dami-dami.
Baka kasi makulitan sa akin pag I keep on follow up na.
Okay lang yun.
Tapos nung binigyan na ako ng chance, sabi, sige po, tapos kung ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin, right away, gawin ko po agad. Yan, binalik sa akin yung paper with your revision. After 2 days, binalik ko uli. Kasi tinapos ko agad yung revision.
Talaga? Ganyan ba yun?
Tapos sabi ko, sige po, hintayin ko na lang uli yung follow-up. Tapos sabi sa akin, pumunta ako dito. Sige po, punta ako dyan. Ayun.
Kasi yung pag may mga sabi ko baka mali din yung aking sinasabi sa interpretation ko ng kanyang gusto sabihin. Kaya I have to clear it out.
Pero I'm happy, ma'am, to be with, at least to see you again in person. Kasi ang tagal, pandemic, tapos parang 3-4 years.
And now I remember yun na. Talaga you come from church.
Okay, I'm happy to be here again. At least may
The other thing is, because in phenomenology, you suspend your judgment.
Oh.
But I have the impression that you are already saying transformative.
Yes po, transformative. Opo.
So I think in the introduction, you should say something, although I think there are, but I still suspend my judgment. Hindi ko maalam.
Oh.
Phenomenology.
Yung element of
At
surprise.
yun ang sabi ni Husserl,
Yes, sir.
you should don't bracket. Sabi niya, you should tell the story without any interpretation. But Heidegger changed that. Heidegger said it's very difficult for anybody without presuppositions. At saka, ganito, in phenomenology, you theorize from experience.
Opo.
But I think that a lot of you are theorizing from your experience of what you get from the classes. Kasi already in the beginning, you are talking about the archetypes. And the panel might say, why don't you discuss this in the theoretical orientation? Yung archetype yung ganyan. But you say you are disguising in the context of your experience when you were taking the class.
Exactly.
You were reflecting, and that's already an experience of the class.
Opo.
Di ba?
Yun
Diba?
po yun, exactly.
Di ba?
Kaya yung
Then you
theory.
see it today, you see. Sabi ko, baka sasabihin ng paano, hey, you should put this there. Eh, sabi ko, pero ang intindi ko, you are experiencing it because of what you are taking up in the class. You are reflecting
Oo.
on yourself.
Kaya
So it's like a
nagko-connect na.
self-discovery.
Opo.
Di ba?
Exactly.
Diba?
Nako-connect mo yung theory dun sa experience mo.
Oo.
Lumalalim yung
Oo.
thought.
Oo. Oo. Kasi when you were experiencing it, you were not saying naman, I was an orphan or warrior or what. You know. It's only now that you realize.
Yes po. Yes po.
In that kind of experience I had in the seminary,
Agree.
you were this. You were
Yung pala yun.
you were had the archetype of warrior or the archetype of innocence or whatever.
I wrote it down there.
Trickster.
Kaya sobrang ganda ng program. Self-discovery. Self-discovery. Kaya yung
And
transformative aspect.
many start from, it was because of Dido's class. Dido's class that they begin to discover who they are. And Leah would always say, Professor Leah would always say, it's only in us that I see a science of being and becoming.
Ganda. Science of being and becoming.
Because that gets transformed with the ACA program. So there must be a theory there. Why you're being transformed.
Actually, yun po yung initial thoughts ko, transformative from the ASI program.
Oo.
Kasi doubtful ako kasi nasimulan ko na yung Sabi ko baka by next time na yung kasi nasimulan ko na Sabi ko tapusin ko muna yung starting point ko.
Yeah.
Tapos kung sakali na mag-progress, then why not? Yung ASI graduates naman.
In fact, your narrative is your story in the thesis. Yeah. The whole story is all your narrative.
Exactly.
Even when you begin discussing theories, you are like dialoguing with the theories.
Yes po.
Yeah.
Kaya habang nagagawa ka, nakikita mo pa yung lumalalim pa yung pagkakakilala mo sa sarili. Yung dialogue mo with the theory, reflecting with your paper.
Ang daming seminary sa
Sa Cavite.
Are you going to take all of them? Or are you going to say, if you divide Cavite into, I don't know how you are going to divide.
Kung,
Is okay na po.
Sige.
Ano po ba yung
Bakit daw?
manuscript?
Ano?
Bigo manuscript
Apo.
po kayo open?
Apo. Yung Bigo.
Bigo?
Apo.
And that's where when in dialogue with the student, that's where I find mentoring
Opo.
fulfilling. And you. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Yan.
Okay.
Ito ba yung Ito ba yung minsan ang dami kong
Exploring transformative.
kung ito ba yung may comments. Kasi meron
edited
yun.
version na po ako dyan.
Yan,
Na-forward na po kaya yung edited version sa inyo?
Wala pa.
Ng TV?
Isa mo kay Eve.
Dadalhin
Not
daw
yet.
ni Ma'am Eve yung edited version.
Mm-mm. Ano ba? Hard copy?
So, yung soft copy po na
Soft copy. Also, when I'm editing, I listen to Google because
ah,
when Google actually makes it underline, why do they underline it? Could be a comma after this. Ganyan. Minsan it's comma or else Google always says don't say in order to because you just cancel the in order.
yung
So when
suggestion
is
na,
that I make a the in between in order. I put it, I underline it or I make it red. That means to say there should be something inside. Or sometimes they change your punctuation mark, and then they also uh, try to re-express it
oh,
in more succinct way.
oh,
For instance, if you say the living experience of the co-researchers, they would say co-researchers dash living
living
experiences.
experience.
It's always trying to be concise as possible. Although sometimes I do not, I do it with reservations also, their advice, because sometimes it is the theories who has this term and they will change it. Then I don't say ignore. I will ignore them. It says like that. I have to.
The beauty
Mm.
of listening to Google.
When it's like this, that means you say Google made an underline and made it more succinct. Or sometimes if you say uh, per se, per se this, take away the per se. If you say
Oh,
aforementioned, take away the aforementioned. You know, they are
mas, ano,
no superfluous words. Now, if you say uh, um, that is to say no, you are saying already that is to say. So it is a what I call redundant
redundant.
expression. So
Yeah, yung mga red
sometimes they
highlight.
also forget. They themselves forget to. Eh, eh.
Nag-Facebook po kayo, Doc? May Facebook. O hindi na
Ah,
nakakapag-open?
Hindi ko masyadong gamit kasi minsan may iPhone ako. I have to ask my nephew, ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Yung mga terms ng computer, I have still to, what's the meaning of default? Kasi default,
Ah,
I have another meaning for default. I am what you're used to.
mm,
Sabi niya. Guys, napali na go. The mystical
Google.
union requires effort to get free. Uh, Humans need to detach themselves from world and to enter the higher state of worship. Now, you look at the original, you will find that there is only a one word that they take out or they. Uh,
Kasi mabilis yung revision ko dahil ano na siya eh. Naka, nakaklaro
naka,
na.
oh,
Pagdating po dun sa chapter 3, parang yun yung medyo meron po kayong napansin.
kasi many would say, I'm using Claret Mustasa more, and he's a good one. No?
Yes po.
But sometimes the way he does it when it's code structuring, you have codes, tapos you try to fit in the code. And if it doesn't fit, you will make another code. I think this one is easier when you say they have the same assumptions, and then you give another theme encompassing the whole cluster of codes that have the same shared assumptions or same organizing principle. I think, yeah. Before I get, at least I can explain why my dito, di ba? Ito yung
Yan po yung chapter 3.
yung four parts of
Yan, opo.
operations, the universe story, okay? Collective unconscious. The universe story, review of the environment.
Yung mga foreign.
Okay. Tapos, uh, this, so your review for literature is at the end, while according to the paradigm, first review of related literature and then the review of related studies.
Yung theories na pinrasan ko po dun sa youth-related literature, okay lang po dun, stay po dun.
Alin?
Yung sina, ano po, sina Jung yan, na Carl Jung, sina Matthew
Yung
Fox.
ano, discussion mo on the main theories, si Matthew tsaka si Yung yan, okay lang
Okay lang
yun
po
eh.
yan.
Oo. Siguro nga walang masyadong literature.
Yan po.
Ano mo yan? Yan, the section is combined. Review of related literature, foreign, local. Review of related foreign, local. I wish to discuss with you how to how
Rearrange po at
to reach your your
texts. Gusto niyo po lakihan ko ng konti para medyo maba.
dito.
Oh, ayan. 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 Malaki. Masyado malaki. Bukasan.
Oh.
Up. Balik ko po dun sa
Also, nasa ano to?
nasa ano na. Sa obra. Ayun. Ah, wala. Ito methodology na.
Ito. Yung isa itaas. Yan.
Liitan ko po ng konti. Para mabasa. Yan.
Yeah. Yun. Tapos, tingnan natin yung format mo, yung dati. yung spiritual, I think that is the what you call the review of related literature. Ano? Yung huling-huli.
Paano ko po kasi i-re-arrange yung ano?
Yun na nga. Kaya, marami kang mga mga authors writing about Jung, di ba?
Opo.
Okay naman ito. For me, okay yung first part. Yun lang. Tapos, bigla na lang, nasan ba yun? The Reverse Paradise. Baka chinange ko na. Yung nasa ibaba, nilagay ko sa itaas.
Oh.
Hmm. Hmm. So, tapos yung review of related studies. Yan. Ano ba yun? Ay, review.
Baka po dyan nagkaroon ng ano nito. Kasi yan, dinagdag ko yung four aspects ng psychological.
I think it's really review of related literature. Mm. Okay, yun yung una. Kasi parang meron kong studies dito eh. Yung, yun, yung mga experiments. Okay. Kasi dito, in the Philippines, context, few studies were revealed in the consciousness experience. That means you, parang consciousness of David Barrows, Americans' efforts on the idea. This is a study, so it's under review of related.
Ah,
I,
in-emerge ko po siya
and
dun
this
sa
impact made by in the Philippines quest national function. Filipino lives to make it instrumental. I think it's good. Recording of this tapos tinama for a paradigm in seminary formation, foreign. For after study. It's under here is under literature. Mga studies yan, di ba?
Bali, in-emerge ko po yung
Eh,
studies.
yeah.
Oo, okay lang po siya.
Which compare so that mukhang yung nasa review of related studies ay review of related literature pa baliktad. Kasi may review of studies ka dun sa
Sa taas po.
uno.
Oo.
Pero meron ding studies. Gawin mo na lang review of related literature and studies. Emerge mo.
In-emerge ko na lang
Oh,
yung
kasi
literature and studies.
it also is a literature. I mean, what they say is something that may be considered as yung reflection doon is different. Diba?
Oh,
At saka, uh, and then meron ka ditong parang psychological, spiritual, historical, ganyan.
okay po.
No?
Opo.
So, siguro kung pwede mo din gamitin yon doon sa review of related literature and studies. If you can put them like that.
Okay po.
And then you say that because kagaya nito, si Pope Francis ba yun? Ano ba yung little study about yung transformative aspect ang sabi mo ang hindi nila inaano yung transformative aspects sa mga studies nila.
Opo. Studies.
Isa po yung cellphone nyo dito.
Ano?
Yung cellphone po nyo.
Nasa
Alin po
bag
ba
ko.
dito? Ito po ba? Nag-ano kasi ang...
Ito.
Yan po.
Ano. Ang dami daw niyang pwedeng magawa. Minsan, nagme-measure pa yan ang aking blood pressure at heartbeat. Pero,
All in one.
sabi ko po, paano nangyari yun? Ano yung apps yun? Sabi ng nephew, hindi paghawakan mo yan ng matagal,
Nami-miss.
lalabas yung iyo. Parang ang inaano mo yung studies in consciousness.
Opo.
But not specifically, but they are not zeroing on ang transformative aspect. Parang ganyan ang
Opo.
justification mo.
Para makita yung kung gaano lumawak yung pagkamalayan,
Oo.
paano nag-transform din yung kaunawa.
Parang they only on the situation of the seminaries, but not the impact of seminary life
Opo.
mm,
Ma-effect lang na.
on on the student, especially the positive impact.
Transformative
Tapos,
aspect.
ito, hindi, parang, hindi ito yung aking, parang iba
Iba po.
yung sa, nirevise ko yung to,
Updated.
No?
Baka may updated na paper.
oo, mas update, wala pang update dito.
Oh.
Baka siguro hindi ito
Sa
yung,
ibang
ay titignan ko ulit ha.
sa message. So, i-forward ko po sa inyo yung
Dahil,
sa Facebook ko yung forward.
tignan ko.
Ano kasi ito? Sorry po ah.
Ano,
Ano pong password nito?
alin,
Nito po.
abang ko. Hindi, ganito
Ito po
lang
ba ang
yan.
gamit
Oo,
mo?
ito.
Ay,
7, 5.
Ayun, may notification po kasi.
Basta top of 7. Digos proposal. Ito, Marco Polo's Digos proposal. Baka
yan,
ito
ako
nga
po
yung
yan.
ano.
Pero dapat dito po siguro i-open
Nasa ano ba?
sa Facebook. Asan po kaya? Sa
Bakit?
email?
Bakit hindi ma-open?
Eh baka po.
Baka nandito din yun. Ay, pero parang hindi complete yung aking revision dyan. I think that was the one na it came to us, sabi ko, it's not fully revised. I have still to work on chapter 3.
Okay po.
Tapos, I did it in chapter 3. Kaya, iba yung aking buksan. Office. Na? Office board ka. Magkaklase pa ako ngayon eh. Sa afternoon.
Afternoon.
So,
Buti maaga ako pumunta.
Oo. Klase ko ng from 3.
Ako po.
From 3 to 5. Practicum.
Actico.
Alam mo yung practicum ginagawa kong parang parang synthesis ng klase. At saka how the ACA program is embodied in Laudato Si.
Mhm.
And yung rates na sikretan ng po. Where did this? Silog siya.
Hindi ko
So,
ma-script.
baka ito.
23 minutes
The
ago.
proposal.
Yan po nga yata. Kasi 23 minutes ago.
Yeah. Yun ba? Kung 3 minutes ago, di yung kanina.
Bali, baka yun po yung nirevise ko na version.
Di yun tayo.
O yung ano po siguro muna, yung hindi pa na-revise.
Hindi pa nag-revise yun. Saan ko nilagay yun? Si Evelyn ang nagpadala nun eh.
Opo.
Yung revise ko. Hindi ko alam kung... Anelia, si Evelyn ba, pwedeng makausap ko? Kasi at home, I'm working on a desktop computer.
Po,
Anong
pinadala ko po sa inyo yung ano ni...
yung 12 o'clock mong pinadala?
Yung
Yung
12 o'clock kong
original
pinadala, kanya nang na-revise.
Nasa na nga?
Pinadala ko po sa inyo ngayon.
Ngayon?
Opo.
Kay office?
Pwede sa Yahoo po.
Yahoo?
Ano ko din sa Yahoo.
Parang yun po yung kaninang inopen nyo na 23 minutes ago.
Yun.
Yeah.
Yahoo. Yun, Marco. Ito. Yeah, download. Ito,
Open
diba?
yun.
Ito.
Nandun na siya. Ayan. Hindi pa.
Yan, yan. Yan, yan, yan. Yan, yan lang. Okay.
Ito ba yun?
Oh. Yan.
Tama ba?
Tingnan ko yung top 3. But, kasi yung in-open, hindi pa revise.
Sa dulo.
Pag minsan, pag open, ganyan siya. Yan. Ito.
Sa dulo yung ano niyo.
Alin? Parang hindi ito yung revise.
Yan ba? Tama ba? Mali ba? Ang napick up ko.
Sa akin naman yung na-revise ko na. Pero baka
Bakit selecting micro-researchers right away? May philosophical presuppositions pa yun eh.
Opo.
Hindi yata.
Oo.
Forward po. Message.
Yung pinadala mo,